Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can remove the automatic command from the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video, write your comments after watching, and let us get started with you. So, friends, first of all, open the Shortcuts app itself on your iPhone. Next, you'll need to go to the commands you've already created. To do this, in the middle of the screen at the bottom, tap Automations. And then you'll see the automation you've already created. You may have more than one like me. Now friends, you just have to swipe it from the right side to the left side. Like this. And you'll see the word delete. Just click on it. And as you can see instantly, this command is automatically deleted. With this very quick and easy method, friends, you will be able to remove the automatic command from the shortcuts on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.